SEBA cancel examination for general science subject of the High School Leaving Certificate Examination 2023. Two Myanmar nationals arrested with fake Aadhaar cards in Manipur. Indian song Nattu Nattu of RRR film made history by winning Best Oscar Award 2023. The Board of Secondary Education Assam has issued another notification with regards to scheduling of general science subject examination. SEBA cancelled examination of general science subject of the High School Leaving Certificate Examination 2023 today. The general science HSLC examination in Assam, which was scheduled to be held on Monday, that is 13th of March 2023, has been cancelled due to question paper leak. The state government, Assam Education Minister Ranus Begu, said that a police case was filed and the CID has been ordered to investigate the matter. The exam, as per the reports, was cancelled after some news reports that a handwritten model question paper of the examination was available in the hands of some candidates, which was also spread on social media. As the Board of Secondary Education Assam has initiated an inquiry into the matter, it will take necessary action once the inquiry is completed. SEBA has urged the students to remain patient and wait for the updated information, but remain prepared. Newsdesk report, Karbi Daily News. Two Myanmar couples arrested with fake Aadhaar cards in Manipur. Two Myanmar couples were arrested with fake Aadhaar cards and an equal number of mobile handsets in Manipur 4 days ago, which is very important to inform every citizen not to go against the law but to defend and respect our country. A Manipuri youth who provided shelter to the foreign nationals were also apprehended by the Manipuri police. Sapam Ranjan, who is also a spokesperson for the Manipur government, said that as per the law of the country, legal action will be taken against the illegal migrants who have entered India through the porous Indo-Myanmar international borders. They were arrested by the Manipur police from the residence of Angom Chinglen at the Payeng Khunu in Imphal West District, identified as Limlal Marur Elias and Solom Maur Elias. Newsdesk report, Karbi Daily News. Indian song Nattu Nattu of RRR film made history by winning Best Oscar Award 2023 at the 95 Academy Awards. The song Nattu Nattu from S.S. Rajamouli's film RRR created history and won the award at Oscars 2023. Nattu Nattu, after winning the Best Oscar, the team danced with joy. Along with this, the entire country is also immersed in the celebration. The song was selected in the Best Song category at the 2023 Oscars, beating Nattu Nattu out of 15 other songs on the list. The song became massively popular soon after its release in March 2022. The song became a global sensation when the film was released in America last year. The song Nattu Nattu has been composed by M.M. Keeravani and written by Chandra Bose. The song was released as Nacho Nacho in Hindi, Nattu Nattu in Tamil. It is a historical fantasy film starring superstar Ram Charan and J.R. NTR in lead roles. RRR tells the fictional story of two revolutionaries who fought against the British rule in India. Rajamouli had said that he envisioned Nattu Nattu as an action sequence in which two freedom fighters bring a British officer to his knees through dance. The dance witnessed a very unique with fantastic strong steps which touches every heart of every human being across the world. It is the highest honor and a proud moment for India that Nattu Nattu wins Oscar 2023. RRR song creates history, becomes first song from an Indian film to bag this Oscar honor. International Newsdesk report, Karbi Daily News. The Board of Secondary Education Assam has issued another notification with regards to scheduling of general science subject examination. The notification was issued on the 13th of March 2023 itself. The notification reads this way. This is to certify to all concerned that the subject of General Science of HSLC examination 2023 scheduled on 13 March 2023 and which was subsequently cancelled by this office notification number SEBA/EX/whole/65/2022-23/48 dated 12 March 2023 will now be held on 30 March 2023 from 9 a.m. onwards in all the centers in the state of Assam. This notification was issued by the Principal Controller of Examination, Board of Secondary Education Assam, Guwahati on dated 13 March 2023. News Desk Report, Karbi Daily News.